Before email, communication had weight. If you wanted to talk to someone far away, you didn't open an app. You sat down. You wrote. Every letter started with a blank page and the decision: what is worth saying? You chose your words carefully because erasing wasn't easy. Ink meant commitment. When the letter was finished, you folded it, sealed it, and let it go. Then you waited. Days, sometimes weeks. That waiting mattered. It gave emotions time to settle. It gave thoughts space to grow. Silence was part of the message. Letters carried more than words. They carried handwriting, mistakes, personality. You could recognize someone without seeing their name. Then technology tried to solve a problem. Distance. Telegraphs came first. Short messages. Expensive. Urgent. Phones came next. Instant, but fleeting. Once spoken, gone. Letters remained because they were permanent. Then computers entered offices, not to connect people, but to store information. In the 1960s and 70s, scientists began sending messages between machines. At first, it was practical, technical, boring. No one thought it would change human communication. In 1971, something small happened. A programmer named Ray Tomlinson sent a message from one computer to another. It wasn't poetic, it wasn't important, but it was the first email. He chose the @ symbol to separate user from machine. Without knowing it, he created a new way to speak. At first, email felt strange. No paper, no handwriting, no waiting. Messages arrived almost instantly. People didn't know how to write them. Were they letters? Were they notes? Were they conversations? Slowly, behavior changed. Messages became shorter, more direct, less emotional. Why be careful when you can send another message? Why wait when you can reply now? Email didn't just replace letters. It replaced time. Work changed first. Offices stopped sleeping. Messages crossed time zones overnight. Then personal life followed. Long letters turned into quick updates. Careful words turned into efficiency. Waiting disappeared. And with it, something subtle. Email made communication faster, clearer, cheaper, but it also made it lighter. You could delete a message in a second, send one without thinking, reply without feeling. Today, letters feel ceremonial, special, rare. Email became normal, and now even email feels slow compared to messages, notifications, and DMs. But there was a moment, a quiet one, when waiting stopped being necessary. That was the day email replaced letters, and we never went back.